digital services at Sheffield. We have to look after students who could be working until 3 o'clock in the morning, staff who are working core hours during the week, but then also looking after our researchers. It really is a 24/7 endeavour for us in technology. My name's Simon Henry. I'm Head of Networks and Operations at Sheffield Hallam University. Sheffield Hallam has around 31,000 students and 3,500 to 4,000 staff. Currently 2 campuses, and we're due to be opening a campus in London shortly as well. We take security very seriously, making sure that our data is kept safe, and that might be behind closed doors in a data centre, but also making sure that the right people have access at the right times. There's also risk to data from people working inside the university or from accidental deletion. Leveraging cloud tools like Microsoft 365 and Entra ID means that we can support staff in a whole host of different environments, sometimes nationally and internationally. The key thing we started to explore was actually, if we're moving more things to the cloud, how secure is that? Do we trust it? What we've been able to do with Veeam is take a 360 view of what our environment looks like. So actually being able to go into OneDrive, we're going to do Teams, we're going to back up people's Exchange. We've been able to do it holistically, so we've been able to just bit by bit add things in. In terms of staff themselves, there's no disruption to them at all. It's just something we're quietly doing in the background, being supported by Veeam. Immutability was a really important thing for us because we wanted confidence we had data that we could restore that was going to be scanned for malware and fundamentally secure and safe and not able to be accessed by bad actors. We can be the people that say, yep, we're keeping that really critical information safe. Being able to work with Veeam has been really useful for us because if there are issues with staff having lost data or students having lost data, being able to pick the right version out and restore it within 15 minutes makes them very happy. Quite an exciting thing for us. We're able to restore 99.9+% of our infrastructure. We've tested that, we know it works. We can restore from the cloud if we want to, or from our on-premise data centers. We worked with our technical account manager at Veeam to look at the SaaS element of Veeam Data Cloud. It just helped to engage our technical team with the product even before we got it installed and running. It's been really useful being able to put a subject matter expert from Veeam in front of stakeholders across the university to explain things in a way that makes sense for their specific area. What I love about it is the innovation, it's the development of the product over years, and also being able to engage with the wider Veeam community and understand where Veeam was going with security and AI and areas that could be applicable to us in the future.